one of the finest educational institutes of Bangalore. I'm proud to be a part of such heritage that allows me to soar high in the world outside with unity as my slogan and loyalty as my goal. I want to put forward the rules and responsibilities that I aspire to follow as a pupil leader. Most importantly, I would like to instill leadership quality in children and develop a sense of responsibility among them. Next, I will adhere to the school's rules and regulations. We will act as a bridge between Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'ams, teachers and students. I will collect feedbacks and suggestions on school development plans from peers and report. This year, I would like my actions to inspire others to dream more, do more, learn more and become more than they ever were. Being a leader is not about the position, it is the summation of faith that the institution has put in me and my abilities. I would sincerely like to thank Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am and teachers for giving me this opportunity to prove ourselves and take our school to greater heights. At the end, I would like to say, do not jump at the end to see if it is worth it. Just enjoy life and fill the pages with beautiful and amazing memories. I hope the year 2014 to 15 brings you glorious memories to remember in life. Thank you.
Thank you, Fasna, for sharing your thoughts. Now I would like to hand over the podium to Savita ma'am for the prize distribution. I would also like to call the Principal Sir and our Vice Principal ma'am to come onto the stage.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. We have witnessed an auspicious occasion, that is the handing over the badges and sachet to the leaders. I think there could be a better occasion than this to honor the students who have come every day, not missing any day, that is having 100% attendance during the academic year 2013-14. I'm sure you all would agree with me, it takes a lot of things, that is a lot of sacrifice. You need to be mentally strong, physically fit, and also sacrifice social occasions like weddings of your aunt or anything as such. So first, give them a big round of applause. Vishal of class 6, Brahmaputra House. Kindly come forward. Pranita P of class 6, Kaveri House. Amol Venugopal of class 6, Kaveri House. Pranav I of class 6, Kaveri House. by the organization in recognition of outstanding performance of the school students in both SOF International English Olympiad exams at international level during the academic year 2013 and 14. We have Anju Kumari Singh, who is being awarded